Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. So firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Next is to perform a factory reset. If previous methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. So at the back side of each earbud we have touch controls. Right here we have Belkin and this one is touch controls. We need to press and hold simultaneously. Then you will see that the LED light blinking white and blue, and after that the LED light will turn off. So let's press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue. Don't worry, you just enter to panic mode, just keep holding touch areas. Now it's blinking white and blue and turn off. You can release your fingers. And then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and on iOS just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so we need to only tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!